This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials and immediate actions. Confirm your ISB plan matches needed Mbps and reboot your modem and router to apply fresh configuration. Once done, place the router in a central, elevated spot away from kitchen appliances and thick concrete walls to reduce interference. Make sure to switch high-bandwidth devices to the 5 GHz band for faster throughput, while keeping smart home devices on 4 GHz to preserve range and reduce channel contention. Now dig into settings. Update router firmware for performance and security, then set WPA3 or WPA2 AES to avoid slow legacy protocols. Once finished, scan Wi-Fi channels and pick the least crowded channel. Use wider channel widths like 40 or 80 MHz on 5 GHz for speed, but drop to 20 MHz if interference spikes. Make sure to enable Co-S and prioritize real-time traffic so streaming and gaming get bandwidth, and schedule heavy backups or updates for off-peak hours. Finish with final tweaks that reliably boost speed. Plug desktops, consoles, or smart TVs into Ethernet for stable, maximum throughput, and deploy a mesh system or dedicated access points to cover dead zones. Prefer Ethernet backhaul for best results. Once everything is configured, run speed tests near devices and confirm improvements. If throughput still lags, factory reset the router, then reapply optimized settings. This often clears hidden misconfigurations. If that fails, contact ISB and document test results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.